5 makeup kits for kids you can get from Amazon. Number 1. Kids Makeup Kit for Girl 57 PCS Safe and Washable Makeup for Kids, Real Girls Makeup Kit, Toddler Makeup Kit with Cosmetic Case. Number 2. High 41 PCS Kids Makeup Toy Kit for Girls, Washable Makeup Set Toy with Real Cosmetic Case for Little Girl, Pretend Play Makeup Beauty Set Birthday Toys Gift. Number 3. Shiny Glamour Girl Makeup Kit Eyeshadow or Blush or Powder Vintage. Number 4. Kids Makeup Kit for Girls with Travel Cosmetic Case, Washable Girls Makeup Kit. Number 5. Carry Home Kids Makeup Kit for Girl 35 PCS Washable Real Cosmetic, Safe and Non-Toxic Little Girl Makeup Set, Frozen Makeup Set. Subscribe to see more items. Links to items in this video are in the description. Thanks for watching.